Hey there, all you off-road hot rods. Roger back with you from beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky here at Gateway Cycles. Nice chilly day here. Got a beautiful machine for you today. Got a 2016 Polaris RZR900S. Red and blue paint scheme. This thing looks awesome. Give you a quick walk around here. Got some aftermarket 14-inch STI wheels here, aluminum wheels. Give you a little sportier ride. Got 26-inch Bighorn tires on those. Good tread on the tires. Got some lower door inserts here. Walk around to the back here. Take a look at it. This thing is flawless. It's been garage kept. Very low hours. We'll get to that in just a minute. Give you a total walk around here so you can see what this machine looks like. Sharp machine. We've got an aluminum top up there, got a windshield, got a nice RSC custom roll cage on this. Really changes the profile on the vehicle, real sharp looking. And let's pop the doors open here and look inside. We've got Pro Armor 4-point restraint system here. Nice stitching on these seats. Let me give you a close-up here of the hours on the machine here. Bear with me just a second. Gets this thing 58.3 hours. This thing's barely been used. What a nice machine. Come on down to Gateway Cycles here in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky and check this thing out for yourself, or check it out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.